Hey there, I'm Chef Ani. It is strawberry season, so today we are making strawberry shortcake. It is absolutely perfect for summer, 4th of July, or Father's Day, which is right around the corner. This is what I am making for my dad for Father's Day. This is a really simple recipe, but we're going to assemble it in a way that's going to be really pretty. So enough talking, let's get cooking. Okay, so let's start by making our cake. We're going to start by mixing all of the dry ingredients together, sifting the flour. Next, we're going to add the sweetener, some baking powder, some salt, and a little bit of cardamom. Stir this together. Now we're going to work on our wet mixture, starting with some almond milk, a little bit of oil, some fresh lemon juice, and finally some vanilla extract. The next thing we're going to do is to mix everything together, but make sure you have a greased and floured pan ready to go. Just smooth it out a little bit and then it's ready to be put in the oven. So now we're going to assemble our strawberry shortcake. So you only need 3 things: cake, strawberries, and whipped topping. I like to use my coconut whipped cream recipe for this, but you can use your favorite topping. Now if you want the recipe for my coconut whipped cream, there will be a link in the description of this video. Now we're going to remove the cake from the pan, and I hope it's gonna come out. Needs a little bit of help here. Let's try this again. There we go. Now today I'm going to be cutting this cake in rounds because I really think that looks pretty, but you could also cut it in squares too. Now there are so many ways that you could decorate these, just have some fun with it. But now I get to try this. That is phenomenal. That is a big bite. My dad is really gonna like those on Father's Day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time.